Hey everybody, this is me Sissy back with a little tiny Dollar Tree haul. So I'm going to combine it with a few things. I've got some friend mail, an unboxing, and two treasures that I found at a local thrift store. And this is Miss Munchkin. She wants to say hey. You can say hey? Huh? You don't want to say hey? So I got my belly full, and I had a pretty bow in my hair, but I decided to have that for dessert. So she took the bow out of her hair and chewed on it a little bit. But we're learning, aren't we, sweet girl? Yes, we are. Okay, say tell bye-byes. Bye-byes. Okay, so let's start off with some friend mail. I got a beautiful little Easter card, The Hope of Easter, and this is from Marianne, and I want to thank you, Marianne, very much. It's so thoughtful of you to send this to me. I'm so glad that you enjoy my videos. So, and now I want to show you my two treasures that I got, and they go with my Miss Bessie the cow over here. I found a little piggy, we're going to call her Petunia, and a sister cow. So we're just going to call her sister. So I'm going to put these up here with Miss Bessie. I'm doing a little remodeling in my kitchen. So we are finally going to frame Miss Bessie, and we're going to make these frames match hers. But I thought these were just adorable. So we're going to make those fit into my semi-farmhouse decor kitchen. But we're going to do the Dollar Tree haul, and then we're going to have a little unboxing at the end of it. Like I said, I didn't get very many things at Dollar Tree. I don't know if it was because they didn't have anything new, or I just wasn't in a buying mood, but I'm trying to be better. I've got so many projects half done, and I'm trying to get better at y'all, I promise you. But this is my favorite thing that I found, these cute little Jot Notebooks. And I think they're beautiful like this with these little printed covers, but I think they're even prettier on the inside. They have this faux suede cover, and I'm going to try to do a little DIY with these, so y'all stay tuned. It's not really a DIY, it's more of an embellishment sort of thing. So we're going to do that. I got two of those, and they're by Jot, and they're notebooks, and they have 60 sheets, and they're 4 inches by 5.71 inches. Those are really, really cute. And then I picked up the Jot stickers, beautiful brown butterflies, and these cute little tags. They have different sayings on them: love, believe, laugh, inspire, cherish, and hope, with little buttons that are really cute. And every now and then I do make cards. I have a Cricut, and I have all the supplies, so I'm going to try to be better about sending cards and not just doing emails. And speaking of cards, sometimes we forget at Dollar Tree they have a great assortment of cards. They even have some Hallmark cards. But I picked up a little card here for somebody's birthday's coming up, my son's birthday. So I picked up a cute little birthday card for him. And they have them for all occasions, graduation, weddings. And it's just a nice touch when you're running in to get a gift bag. Just grab a card and put it with your gift. So now, I wasn't kidding when I said this is a very small Dollar Tree haul. So, picked up one of the little nail-up hooks, and I didn't realize when I got home it did not have the little screws with it, so I'll have to add my own screws to hang that up. And I got the Satin Pillowcase. It's 20 inches by 30 inches. Silky satin material. I thought this was 100% polyester, but I was going to try to sublimate on it, but I don't know if it will work on this. When you sublimate, you need to have a high polyester count, and I don't know what silky satin material, what that constitutes. But anyway, we're going to try it and see. And I picked up these, I don't really like any of the Bolero stuff except for their face wipes. And I did pick up the Orange Blossom Soothing Facial Wipes with Orange Blossom and Cucumber, 32 count, and they smell really good, so I picked those up for myself. And I got some of the Lysol Disinfecting Wipes, the travel size. I like to keep these in my car. They're great for when you get a shopping cart or you get gassed and you want to wipe the smell off your hands. Then I picked up 6 of the lemons, the little faux lemons, These are Floral Garden. I believe that's a Greenbrier product. Yeah. So I picked those up. I'm going to put those in a basket on my table. I thought they'd be cute. Or I might put them in a flower arrangement. I'm not sure yet. But anyway. And I got a floral foam cone. So that's always good to have on hand. And a can of the Home Bright Disinfectant Spray. 99.9% of germs. Sanitizes in 10 minutes. Linen scent. Kills flu viruses and eliminates odors. It's the 6 ounce. So I picked that up. And I keep the little travel size one. I keep that in my car also. And I got these cute little benches from the Fairy Garden collection. These are for my dollhouse. It has like a little patio porch on it. I thought these would be cute on there. So I really am one of these days going to show you my dollhouse. When it's presentable. It's not right now. It looks more like I look like a slumlord. But anyway, I am working on it. I got this cute little jar. They had some bigger ones, but this is a lovely little size to put if you just want to have a few candies, or you could put bath salts in it. A little pack of bath salts would fit in here. I just love jars and stuff, so I thought that'd be cute on my vanity table, so I picked it up. And I thought I would try out the Fresh and Clean Laundry Detergent Pods. These are supposed to be for high efficiency washers, the Spring Fresh 10 count. And I don't know what brand this is. It's a Greenbrier product. So I was going to give that a try and I'll see if that worked. It did good. I thought it was supposed to be liquid in there, but that looks like powder to me, and I don't like powder detergent. But I will give it a try. It says that stain fighting. Oh, I should have read the thing when I bought it, but I didn't have my glasses on. It does say stain fighting powder, so we're gonna give it a try anyway. And then I got these huge pots. These are the biggest pots I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. And the weather's getting warm and I can't wait to get outside and work on my window boxes. And my roses have been neglected terribly last year. And I really want to get them looking good this year. But I got these great big pots. I wish they were white. I think I'll spray paint them. And I want to put like a Kimberly fern or asparagus fern in here and put it out on my on either side of my little front steps there. So I picked up 4 of those, maybe put 2 in the backyard and 2 in the front. But anyway, that's all of my Dollar Tree haul. I told you it was very little, but now we're going to do an unboxing. A sweet lady at a company called I don't know. I know I'm going to say it wrong, but it's Supalak, SUPALCK. Anyway, I'll put a link to the product in the description box, but they sent me a little mini heat press to try out. They sent it to me at no charge. I'm not getting paid anything to try it, but I do get to keep it for free. So we're going to go ahead and get that out. And let's see. Nice lady Eva over there sent this to me. Let me adjust my camera so you can see it. And this is great for doing little things. Like I have a project. On one of my hauls, I hauled the bunny ears and the little bow, and I wanted to sublimate on it. And it comes with a little tiny Teflon sheet to go with it. Oh, it's cute. And it is a heat press. It comes with a little stand and heat resistant base for it to go on. And it is 350 watts. It has 3 heating modes. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to heat up, and it's a 7-inch by 3.8-inch heating surface on it. And it has an automatic shut-off safety feature. And we're going to give it a try. I have a few little craft items that we're going to heat press some vinyl, and we're going to try to do sublimation on a little on the bunny ears I was talking about. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll give this little heat press a try. I believe it's $69, which, I mean, if it works good, is not a bad price. The little mini Easy Press from Cricut is a lot more expensive. So, but we're going to give it a try, and y'all stay tuned for that, and we'll see what we can do with it. And the only thing I don't, well, I'll have to look at the book. I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm not going to. Okay, yeah, it does have instructions on here for different things you're using, if vinyl, glitter vinyl, holographic, or foil, different heat guides, and pressure and everything. So that's good to have. But anyway, let me turn back up here to me for a minute. Oh, oops, let me get me back in there all the way. There we go. But anyway, y'all, that's it. That's my little tiny Dollar Tree haul. And again, Marianne, thank you so much for the card. I really appreciate it. I love getting little surprises in the mail like that. But anyway, y'all get out there, go shop, and check out what Dollar Tree's got. They got a lot of florals and a lot of stuff for spring. And I know Easter's almost upon us, but I am going to show you my tablescape where I decorated my Easter table. But anyway, I'll see y'all next time. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all.